Surrounded by plantations, meadows and a meandering river, the town of Skjern is located. Like many similar towns all over Europe, they joined the building boom of the 70s, and a new primary school was constructed with plenty of open hallways covered with skylights. However, over the years the building material has deteriorated significantly, making the indoor climate intolerable for the users.
Numerous studies have shown that a good indoor climate is essential for a good learning environment, both in terms of the air quality and the daylight conditions. That's why it's important that we put it on the agenda, start renovating our schools to get optimal conditions for both teachers and children.
A decision was made to make a total refurbishment of all the skylights in the school during the children's summer vacation. The building had to be opened up, sealed off and made weatherproof before the children returned. That left very little time to produce, transport and install a total of 850 new skylight units.
We have the capacity volume here in modular skylight production so that we can very quickly scale up the production to cope with any customer demand needed. We also have the VELUX transportation network, means that we can deliver our windows to the customers just in time.
The next challenge was to define whether the walls and bricks could withstand the much heavier weight from the new component.
When doing a skylight refurbishment on a classic 70s school like this, you have to take two main things into account: the structural integrity and the outside dimension of the subconstruction. Understanding these makes pretty much everything possible.
The subconstruction was prepared and adapted to allow for the installation of VELUX modular skylights, but the last challenge remained. Would it be possible to install 850 skylight windows within the given time frame? The answer lies within the modularity system. Each module is pre-made and fits perfectly where it's supposed to. No need to cut, custom make or in any other way process the material on the roof. This enables the installer to make quick, repetitive movements, like on an assembly line. With clamps, brackets, click-on flashing and cladding, it doesn't take more than a few minutes. All the VELUX modular skylights were installed within the given time frame. The children returned from their summer vacations to a school with a clearly improved indoor climate. It's now pleasant, temperate and ventilated all day long.
Tidligere var det sådan her i gangene, hvor vi står nu, at der var rigtig varmt om sommeren, og der var tilsvarende meget koldt om vinteren. Men nu efter vi har fået den nye løsning her, så er det dejligt, behagelig temperatur hver eneste dag. Arbejdsmiljøet for vores lærere er klart forbedret, og trivselen for vores elever er markant forbedret.
A renovation on a building like this is not only an investment in human health and comfort, it's a long-term investment that saves energy, money, and prolongs the life cycle of our building stock. It is a step in the right direction to secure a positive impact on our future environment.